Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make bean dip. First, ensure you have all your ingredients ready for a smooth process. You'll need two 15-ounce cans of refried beans, 1 cup of your favorite salsa, and about 100 grams of softened cream cheese. Don't forget 100 grams of shredded cheddar cheese, a 1/4 cup of water, and a small pinch of ground cumin. Having everything prepped makes this simple recipe even easier to enjoy. Now, let's get cooking. Take your 2 cans of refried beans and empty them into a medium-sized saucepan. Add the entire cup of salsa, the 100 grams of softened cream cheese, and the 1/4 cup of water. Stir these ingredients together really well over medium-low heat. Make sure everything is thoroughly combined and smooth before moving to the next step. This ensures a consistent texture. Keep stirring your bean mixture over medium-low heat. You want to ensure the cream cheese completely melts and blends seamlessly with the beans and salsa. This process usually takes about 5 to 7 minutes. Once it's smooth and creamy, add about half of your 100 grams of shredded cheddar cheese directly into the saucepan. Stir it in until it's fully melted and incorporated, adding a rich, cheesy depth. Once the cheese is melted, transfer your hot, creamy bean dip into a serving bowl. Now for the final touch. Sprinkle the remaining 50 grams of shredded cheddar cheese over the top. The residual heat will gently melt it, creating a lovely, gooey layer. Serve this incredible dip immediately with your favorite tortilla chips, fresh vegetable sticks, or even warm pita bread. It's truly the only way to make bean dip.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.